can observe me closely, every word. And as I said to you before, not every word of mine will be translated in Tamil. So I should see chat box getting filled with the Tamil or Tamil translation of what I speak, so that towards the end, we will just take it as a text format of today's class for future reference and to convert it into some other material. So with that as an idea, I have something very important to speak for today to commence with. For example, now we have come to a serious portion of Quran class, serious part of the Quran class. First 1 week gone. Now assume like a principal has come to you to explain what is this setup is all about, how the setup has evolved. You now enjoy a facility of understanding Quran, the comfort of your house. In a click of a button, you have things. So this is my notes. I don't know whether I will cover everything, but you can take a snap and I will go through a little later. So I have something to be, no, I am not going to convert into Tamil every time because it's keep disturbing my flow. So if towards the end, if possible, I will do. Otherwise, people who are in the chat should be taking care of Tamil. So number one is I would like to give you a quick recap of how this empire is being built so that you will really value the course that you are now joined in. Because this is necessary to start with, because it is as if like you have embarked on a journey. This journey is with the Quran. This journey is not going to get over just by completing this course. Journey of the Quran should continue till our last breath, either knowingly or unknowingly, either interestingly or by force, or whether you join for just fun or for seriousness. We have now come. So there is something we have to give to you before we start off with the Quran. There's no point that if I speak this information next week, it is not going to help anybody, because by this end of week, you would have been graduated like LKG of this, and then you will be promoted to UKG. So if anybody joins us next week, have no value to do. They would really find it difficult and they would drop. I think they would get dropped as they go, unless in other ways they are really sincere. So something important I have to speak, and I dedicate this class for this message. So let a strong message go out today before we start doing it. It's not a fun game that we have come over here or just to learn some language, skill, and then go off. No, we are trying something very serious with you guys. We are trying to experiment something very serious with you guys. Let me give you a quick recap. This empire of you 40 people coming online and then 900 views in 1 week has not happened in a single day, brothers. It has not happened by a solo performance at all. Here, this concept of We with Quran, the hero of this channel is the Quran. Just like we have classroom where we will have whiteboards, Sharpies, blah, 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 blah. The same way, I am here as a tool, just a face of it, give a face value. If not me, if I am absent for some reason or the other reason, there will be somebody else who will sit on my place and do the same job. We are just a tool. There is nothing here. Hero is, Quran is the hero. I will tell you a quick recap of how this empire is being built. We sent invites to hundreds of people, day in and day out. Our team worked relentlessly, sleeplessly for months together to take this message of concept of Islam, concept of Quran to every context that we know. Maybe I am a bit sound, you can close the door. There will be crowd coming out. Hundreds of people. Now you see any course that you join, there will be a filtering. But here we don't do any filter. We want Allah to do a filter. Though hundreds of invites have been sent, the same WhatsApp post has been sent repeatedly for months. It happened. Not by single person, by a team of people who were talking about this every time they meet, on a chat, on a tea shop, on just a quick meet after Salah, and on a WhatsApp call, and on a phone call, and on a Facebook, whatever, in all platforms possible to evolve this idea where you now enjoy a comfortable methodology of understanding the Quran. There were also bad times for us where people thrown those flyers on face over face and said you are not eligible to do this task. You are not permitted, you will not be allowed to do this task. You are not qualified. People said, not only me, but the entire team has been thrashed, bombarded with words. We have been labeled like anything. And the team has stood like a rock for all those difficult moments. They spend their pocket money to invest, and all the setup and facilities that you see in front, it's their money. We didn't even go out to even ask a rupee from anybody. If it's Quran, it comes on its own. Just having said that, there is absolutely no commercial benefit at all. Sometimes I become very emotional when I talk, but I could not control. But this is how it would be. You have to just bear me for next couple of minutes. So even doing all these things for 3 months, 4 months together, I would like to raise a question. Why still only 250 have responded to accept our invitation? That's what you see it in the WhatsApp group. Even the 250, only 50 has gotten privilege to come and attend the Quran class that you have online. There may be people who is following us in YouTube. There could have been genuine reason that Allah knows best, and we are not here to judge. But the best method is to join after the Fajr. Still, if people, the one question that we want to ask is, people who didn't take our invitation seriously, not responded, I just want to ask one question. What else we should do to convince you here? What else we should do? Please give a suggestion. What else we should do? We are in a state like a mother who is feeding to style. Mother does everything. She shows YouTube channel. She shows outside. She runs here and there. Do all mimics possible. Gives all promises possible. All promises possible. Even sometimes gets beat. Even the foods are thrown on face of the mother. But the only agenda of the mother is to make the food, make the child to taste the food. We are in the same state. Our team is in the same state. We are acting like a mother for all of you. We want to just make you taste the food of Quran. Taste the Quran. I am asking you one question, blunt question. Are they really waiting for angel of death to come in front of them and threaten them to learn Quran? Are they really waiting for that? If they do so, what is the benefit of neglecting or accepting when the angel of death comes? You will have no time to accept. So let's leave off our sleep in our AC room. Let's remove our bed sheets. Let's come out from our comfort zone. Let's spend our time in front of Quran, in front of Allah. I have been telling people for many times, I keep asking people why you sleep after Fajr. There is a common answer that I get from people is, we have no task to do. We have nothing to do. Here I am going to give you a list of tasks that you can do, which can bring about a revolution in the days to come. Whether you really think this 50 is going to make a revolution, if you believe that 313 has made a revolution in Badr and has converted into lakhs in 10 years' time, why can't this 50 can make a revolution? Yes, definitely it can make a revolution. You can follow any maslak, you can belong to any party, you belong to different place as we know. You belong to different parts of the globe as well. But there is one common agenda that can connect us together. That is the Quran. Learning the Quran. That would have been, we spent a lot of years in the past doing little bit social service here and there to temporarily fix people's problem. But that is just a temporary solution. You give something now and then they come again next time. But now we are going to give you a permanent solution for all the problems that you have. You don't have a child, you have a medical problem, you want to please your manager, your business is not going well, anything, your health is not proper, list down the list. That is only one solution which is available with us. You have to come with the Quran. We should become with Quran. We should become walk and talk of the Quran. We should become brand ambassador of the Quran. Then this world will fall on your feet. Write it down. Today, I'm telling the world will fall on your feet. Will knee bow down. Today, we find problems here and then pinning around the Muslim community. We keep chatting at every tea shops about the anti-Islamic things that happens around us. But we keep talking. We hear a lot of bayans. Shell it out. It is just making people to sleep. Let's do something productive. Let's change the world. Let's come together to understand the word of Quran. One of my doctor friend used to say, if a person who has a disease is not ready to change a habit which has caused a disease, there is no point in giving him treatment. So this is a disease that has been circumvenced the Muslims today, Muslim Ummah. They sleep after Fajr. The barakah of time they doesn't know, they get into problem. We have only one solution. You all should become brand ambassador of Quran. We will walk and talk like Quran. When people see us, they should remember Quran. We will talk for Quran here. We will work for Quran here. We will continue to do all possible to reach out this Quran to every people that we come across. We keep telling them, whatever possible in whichever capacity that we can do, whatever that we can do to convince them to understand Quran. Let's spend our years. Let the whole life go behind Quran. Let Quran will not speak and show magic here, brothers. But we can speak for Quran. If you do so in this world, and Quran will speak for you on the day of Qiyamah. it will come to the secret day of Qiyamah. If you want that really to happen, this is the time that you have to awaken from your bed. Let's sleep. We slept for years. Let's go on to for sleepless mode. We had all comfortable sleep all these years. We put generations of Muslims to sleep. We kept sleeping. We have 20 crore people in this country, but still afraid of a little percentage of people who tirelessly work. Can't we take this message and make it viral to people that go around? If not to the world, why not to our house? If people are sleeping after Fajr at our house, let them go out of our house and sleep on the street. No longer Muslim family should sleep after Fajr. Then you see a miracle that is going to happen in front of you. If we are alive, we will be privileged to see that miracle happening. That is what our team is trying to work out. So it's not just a solo game, it's a teamwork. Everybody should come in. We have a long project to do. Like people keeps asking me why you could put it in Tamil. I said there is no such material available online. You have to spend 1,200 rupees to buy a book. It is not affordable by everybody to do so. So we are working towards a project where we will launch a Tamil word for word Quran translation along with an explanation with the Hindi website, which will be rolled out inshallah by Jan 2022. There is a huge work that should be done. I know publications who worked for 7 years to bring this up, but we have targeted to complete it in 1 year. Who is going to do? There is no angels who is going to come to do this. We are going to do. You might think that I have no skill. You have a skill. Even if you have a skill to take a photo and send, that is enough to do that. But we will include it. And so, and then there is an expenditure of 5 lakh rupees estimated. Just half the expenditure of an average Muslim family marriage. A meal cost of one lunch just to keep boasting for years. They shell out lakhs of money. But this to generate 5 lakhs, it would take some more time. But we are not going to spread out our hands. It is Allah who is going to bring that up. Okay. Having said that, enough of emotions. Let's come to what we seriously want from you. This is what we seriously want from you. This is the daily activity that we want to ensure that you do it, then you will get reward. You will be noticed by our team if you really do it, and our team will approach you, will get works done from you. One is, what you can do is, you can take a printout and have a go through of it as time goes by. I will just give a quick go through of what is this being done. So you have to go to comments in the YouTube and then keep listing the words to say precisely, this YouTube channel is not for public yet. It's not for public. We would have heard a boring word that it is subscribe, like, share. That is not going to benefit, because there have been a lot of videos available in YouTube that people have not used it. Just by sharing the videos is not going to make people work. But what is going to work is, we believe that everybody should contribute something for the Quran. I can do something for the Quran. I will take care of the Quran. I will take the message. We talk about brand cars, brand cell phones, we talk about, then we should begin about the change, like how people sit 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. for Big Boss. Likewise, Muslim families should be ready at 6:30 to sit before we with Quran. That is a revolution that we want to bring about. That is a revolution that we want to see. And now, one task, important task alone, I will brief it. Rest, as time permits, we will do it sometime later. One thing that we expect from you all is this: maintaining a YouTube channel. This is not for public, first point. The YouTube videos, people who generally comment that sound is not like, this is not our way. We are just trying to give a recorded form of a material. That's what. Just like you join any course, people would give you material. Here we are giving one advanced material that you can refer anytime, see as many times as you want. Every time people complaining me, you are very fast, you slow down and see. People complaining me, your English is not understandable, talk complex. You will have people now to work and improve this. We have given a rough data now to you. It is up to you people to take it, make it much better. Like you will put it like, you will add comments there. You will translate as much as possible. Make it easy for people to understand. And one thing, people who generally say that why Tamil is not possible, because as I said, material is not available. So 100%, if you want 100% English free Quran class to happen, then we all should work together for next 1 year, so that by Jan 2022, that is possible. Unless you join, to work together, you should not ask this question. There is no point in just asking question. एक ऐसा है कि तुम्हें बिरयानी पकाओ, हम खाने के लिए आते हैं. No, you should come for बिरयानी पकाने के लिए. तुम्हें भी आना. तब भी क्या करेंगे? बिरयानी अच्छा होगा हम बोलते. We keep telling that biryani is going to be good. So only if you come and then something, one more I want to say is YouTube channels have now become a storage of nuisance and bad stories, keywords, blasting, whatnot. But we now going to show to the world that how effectively a channel can be used. How, if a student of Quran handles a channel, how he will handle the channel. There is one difference that you will find in a normal class and in the class like this, where you have now given a YouTube channel. This is going to be your record book. Only difference is in school days, you will have a record book for each one of you. But here you have a one common record book, which we are going to maintain for next 1 year. We all will try to contribute. There is no salams there. There's no keep unnecessary chattings there. If there is a question raised up, then somebody else will, you should not expect the admins to come and answer. Somebody else who is knowledgeable can answer. We keep improving the content better, understandable better. And then finally we end up, by the end of the year, we will give this material to the world. And we will say to the world that this is how a channel will be maintained. The people who comes to it are the students of the Quran. So now the behavior of the students of the Quran should be known to the world. And now how to deal with the people who knows only Tamil. I would tell you, every home now has a person who understands English. Let him take a task now. Let him view the videos. Let him grasp the information. Let him convey it in Tamil to the people in and around. Why can't he do the task? In this way, he is reducing our workload, saves our time better, and thereby he is also getting trained. Maybe he would make mistakes. He would improve as the days comes up. So this is what we are trying to convey it today. So this Tamil version of it, we would be watching, our team would be watching how this content is getting converted into Tamil and people take information out of it. You please understand the constraints with which we work, and this editing, cutting into three videos, all that are not going to happen for a very long time. It is just a rough material. We just throw it on channel and for you people to get improved. And then you will work and come back to us and say, if a title is not shooting well, you will keep us informed on how it can be improved upon. And one thing that you can do better, as I said before, we will not repeat a word, which repeating a word. Once if you're done, we will not repeat it. So one thing that you can immediately do is go to comments. And there were some set of words that would have been talked in that video. Keep putting it in the comments. All three versions of it, English, Tamil, and then what else? Arabic. So if somebody wants to know what are the words that you can take, in that way you can make best use of it. We are just giving you a rough draft of it. It is up to you people. It's up to the team to work on it and improve it and come up. And one thing we will tell you, we will keep watching your progress on the YouTube channel. And one thing that we will tell you, if people are really interested in this, then our team will contact you. You will get the privilege to work with our team to bring out the website that we are talking about. You will get that only, and some new people are trying to catch me over phone, WhatsApp. Sorry to say that I will not be accessible. If you want any questions to be answered, you have to come for Quran class. You have to wait for 7 to 7:15 session where you can escalate your question and get your answers done. Unless in other ways, except for our team, I will not be accessible to anybody. Sorry if I'm being blunt. And if anything good that I have said, it is from me. If anything bad, I sincerely apologize. It is my mistake. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do lots of dua for the team that is working together day in and day out, talking for the Quran. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give a lot of blessings. Sorry that I have become emotional, but I am of that sort. So one thing is, let's talk. Immediately what you can do is, let's talk with our family members. Let's reschedule our day. Let's ensure that no one sleep after Fajr. Let's ensure that we will move from cell phones to TVs, where everybody in the family should sit down with the Quran and do it. And you will then see the miracles that Quran is going to show you. You will come and tell these stories. Quran is going to show it to you. All your problems will end. Believe me, take my word seriously. Maybe that I'm younger than you, but that doesn't mean that I should not speak. So this is the blunt information that we want to give. I don't know whether I have conveyed it correctly or wrong. Sorry if I am very blunt or rude, but do lots of dua for us, for our team, and for everybody who works behind the screen, who is not seen on the screen, but they sincerely work. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us united through the book of Allah. We meet, we speak about book of Allah. We disperse for book of Allah. We have nothing else to do. We cry that people, we cry for a lot of things. The only solution is we have to bring people to the Quran, make them understand Quran. Then you will see the miracles that Quran is going to show to your personal life, to the society that you live in, to the country that you live in. All the threats that is there in Islam will get vanished if you take Quran as your arms. That is the brief introduction that we want to give you at this point in time. Inshallah, without much delay. If you have to order Quran, keep it ordered today and keep it arranged. And this information, today's task is only this, to convey this information to all the contacts that is possible. There is no other homework for you. Make them, debate with them, discuss with them, make them understand the seriousness of what we are talking about. Make them realize the sawab that they are going to get towards the end. If that website is going to be rolled out, if that is ready, there are generations who is going to get benefited. Please take our words very seriously, very seriously. That's what I can see till sitting at the corner of the globe. But it is up to you. I will say the same words of Hajjatul Wida. Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, people who have come here, let them pass on the message to the people who have not come here. It has now become your responsibility for all the sleepless nights that our team has. The benefit we want to see immediately. Let's not waste one more year. We don't know how long we are going to live in. So if you leave me, I will keep talking like this. So the time is not allowing me to do so. Jazakallah khairan. If you have any questions related to this, you can put forth on a chat or a call, then we can get it sorted. With that, this session ends, inshallah. Jazakallah khairan.